$24.95 for 525 rounds.
That's something we see at my local store very often. Phone's rang 3 times for it since I've been here.
Load up on the antibiotics and then hopefully.
You too can get one.
Oh, does it? Okay, I'm sorry. I'm not looking at it.
It'll be gone. Zombie guns. Phone hasn't stopped ringing for the Scar since I've been here. This thing's sold since I've been here.
It's sold already?
Yeah, the guy in Scottsdale, I think.
Oh, that's
This thing's beautiful.
You picked it up like you were just about to buy it too.
Just like it.
I thank you.
It's one of them dream gun things. Yeah, I know. And he started coming in with some Lancers. This is a good deal. $45 for 3. Oh, I should just paint those.
And they say 30 days you have.
It's nice. He's got a little bit of everything down here. Got an arsenal.
They said, oh, it was returned to us as undeliverable. And I said, well, then why didn't you think to send it back to me?
Sage.
Meanwhile, his application expires. 30 days.
Berettas.
Yeah, I mean, they're...
So you lose a sale.
They're not doing anybody any favors.
I don't think they're
180 quick enough.
Yeah, so I can remember the
But anyway,
visit.
shouldn't go on.
KelTec's a pretty aggressive company, aren't they, really?
Yeah.
They
make some out-of-the-box stuff.
They do.
Are those supposed to be somewhere readily available? All right, let's stay in browser.
No, you can't go after. Basically, it's where all the
You know I'll be back.
See what happens when we send a customer comes through the door.
I get a hand grenade without the pen.
You know, I was looking at that the other day.
This is a bargain table.
Can I have
Found a SERP for the XD the other day here.
regular
Very nice.
por favor?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, it'll work.
Little critter.
Yeah, but I'm in the middle of putting this up.
Yeah, no, I'm just curious. What else do you want?
The Magnum.
It's nice. He's got XDs and Glocks and SIG.
Yeah.
So, the reason I bring it up
Big
is
spender
it's
today.
less expensive for you to swap it out now.
Not a big revolver fan. Here's the Browning 1911 commemorative.
Get it, biggest kid's gonna get it for
Yeah.
Hey, what do you say, Eddie? How are you?
Want to pay $1,200 for 22?
Yeah, I know, huh? No. But you get the, you know, the knife too, the miniature knife. The mini K-bar. Is that a good price?
Well, good to see you, Ed. It's been a long time.
Live free or die.
You out?
He's still a smartass though, isn't he?
We'll see you, Bill. Okay, bye-bye.
This is one of the custom build items here. We got the 10th Mountain, 10th Mountain, right? Yeah. Yeah, and then Live Free or Die. It's a Chris special here. Oh, nice and light too.
What this is tearing stuff off.
As you can see, 10th White Mountain Farms, 10th Mountain. I'd say this is coming in around 8 pounds, maybe 7.5.
Well, the only other thing you might want to think of is that single point sling attachment.
Single point sling?
Yeah, that shows you that little ring. You can call. You'll let us know.
Another one.
Well, it's just that's
Yeah.
a real.
This is a Rufus round.
So that's the Incendiary.
That is titanium. That'll go through 2 inches plus of steel.
Oh, look at this.
Explosive.
Now, are those civilian legal to purchase?
Yes.
Okay.
you've got $33.
I was gonna say, instead of $6 a piece, there's 33. And you still have your 50 then. That one, yeah.